Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo chef and my unfortunate victim, my youngest Christian. Today we are going to sample another beverage that sounds disgusting. So some of you may have seen the one we did a while back with the Coca-Cola spiced. And if you paid any attention, Coca-Cola claimed that would be a permanent flavor. And now it's gone. So this one says limited edition, and I have a feeling, I'm hoping it's very limited, but we're gonna give it a fair shake. So this is OREO Coca-Cola Zero, because I don't know about you, but when I think Coca-Cola, I think black and white cookies. Not so much. All right, so we have 2 glasses, and I also have some ice, because as a fan of Coca-Cola, especially Coke Zero, I know it tastes different without ice than with ice. So we're going to try it both ways, but first we're going to try it au natural, and I have to admit I'm a little concerned, but here we go. I can smell it. It smells like Coke, but there is a weird other aroma.
A little bit at the end, yeah.
All right. Oh, that's an odd smell. It's not bad. It's just not Coke. I don't know how to describe this, honestly. It's leaving an aftertaste in my mouth that is reminiscent of eating Oreos. When you first taste it, it tastes like Coke that, I don't know, doesn't taste quite right. And there is an essence of Oreo cookie at the end of it.
It tastes like the aftermath of Oreos and milk at the end, but the beginning is wrong Coke.
That is just strange. The first flavor I get is more like RC than Coca-Cola, but that ending flavor is just very odd. I feel like I need a glass of milk or something to wash out my mouth. All right. We said we'd give it a fair shake, so. I think it's better with ice.
It is slightly better with ice.
It's still not good, but it's better with ice.
That's so odd.
I will put it this way. If somebody bought it and gave it to me and I didn't have anything else, I'd probably drink it, but I'm not going to the store looking for another one. I can see how it could be fun for kids. And if you're having a bunch of kids over and you want something different, I could see that, but I'm not impressed. What do you think?
I agree.
I wonder what it tastes like with bourbon in
it. It's just odd.
Good taste?
No.
See if that helps in any way, shape, or form. No, that made it worse. So, that brought the phony chocolate flavor out, and that's not a good thing. Well, I think our answer to this is no. What's the old thing on the old American Idol? It's no for me, dog. So, yeah, I'm voting no on this one. If this is your thing, please, by all means, tell me in the comments section that I'm crazy, but I'm not okay with this. So until next time, eat and drink fabulous, and that's not fabulous.